What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And the Oneplus Nord 3 CE Lite is coming and it's expected to be coming on 4th of April as we have known now in the Indian market. Let's talk about every single detail which you need to know about this smartphone. So first of all, talking about its design, that it will be coming with a much of a boxy design and it will be inspired by the bit of a Oneplus Nord 3. And not only that, the body weight of this smartphone is going to be 195 grams and it will be coming with a plastic frame and a plastic back. Now, talking about its display, then it will be coming with the IPS LCD panel with a 120Hz of high refresh rate with a screen size of 6.72 inches. But the resolution is going to be of 1080p, so you can expect a decent quality of a display in this phone. On the platform side, it will be running on Android 13 out of the box based on Android Oxygen OS 13.1, and the processor is going to be a Snapdragon 695 5G processor, which is a 6nm processor. The storage option of this phone will be also a decent one with a 8 gigs of RAM and a 128 gigs of storage and with a speed delivery of UFS 2.2. Now you will also be getting a dedicated micro SD card slot, which is rare to see in this smartphone these days, but the main camera is going to be a 108 megapixel, which is again we can see in this smartphone. But the rest of the two cameras are going to be of 2 megapixel of a macro scope camera and a 2 megapixel of a depth sensor. But the selfie camera is going to have 16 megapixel wide angle camera and it's a f2.0 aperture. Now you will also be getting a stereo speaker setup in this phone, and a fingerprint is going to be a side mounted fingerprint scanner in this phone, but the charging speed and battery capacity won't be disappointing you, as it will be coming in a 5000 mAh battery and also a 67 watts of wired charging in this phone. Now the phone is indeed launching on 4th of April in India, and the price of this smartphone is expected to be at around 20,000 rupees. Now what do you think about the Oneplus Nord 3 CE Lite smartphone? And we all know that it's a big name, so we can get sometimes wrong with the actual name, which is the Oneplus Nord CE3 Lite. Now also the headphone jack will be present in this smartphone, which is again a good to see. Now if you like this video, do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks a ton for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.